Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is super amazing cake. Super tasty and amazing cake. Wow, it looks delicious as it is. For this, you take 3 packed cookies and cut it. Cut it everything and grind it. It should become like this. Put it to a 6-inch cake pan and spread it. And by using a glass, do like this. It's done, and take 1 glass of milk, 1 tablespoon gelatine and mix it. 1 cup whipping cream, and beat it. Pour the gelatin mixture and beat it again. Pour to a half bowl. Pour the butterscotch food color to 1 bowl and mix it. Beat. Pour to a bowl. Pour the mixture. First pour the butterscotch mixture. And do like this. Spread it. And then pour white mixture and then pour butterscotch mixture again and do the same steps. And do the same step. After it becomes like this, use a toothpick to do like this. keep refrigerating 2 or 3 hours. After 3 hours, take it. Super tasty cake is ready. It's so amazing cake. If you like this video, subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to like, share, and thank you for watching, guys. Bye.